All right, create the generic rectangle. So you have tons of space. I'm going to make it really big for problem number 1. All right. This is for problem number 1. And then set up your problem with the 3 over here. This is this problem. And the 2 right here. And the 1/3 right here. And the 3/4 right here. Okay? Now, what you're going to do is you're going to multiply these numbers together. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 over 1, which is what 3 is, 3 over 1, times 3 over 4 is what? Okay? You don't have to work that out right now. 1 over 3 times 2, which is 2 over 1, is something. We'll work that out in a minute. And then 1 over 3 times 3 over 4. And you see where I'm getting these numbers, right? All right. So now we need to work these out. Who can do this basic multiplication with me? Let's work it out in a bright red color. Okay. So 3 times 3 is 9 over 4. See how I'm just multiplying right across? 3 times 3 is 9. 1 times 4 is 4. Okay, that's how I got that numerator and denominator. 1 times 2 is 2 over 3. 1 times 3 is 3 over 12. Now, Mr. N wanted you guys to be able to find the lowest common denominator, right? In this case, for when we add these 3 numbers together. Okay, we're going to keep our 6. We're going to keep that there. Okay, we're not going to forget about our whole number. And whatever other whole numbers we get, we add to that 6. But right now we've got 2/3 we have to add up, right? We have to add that to 9/4. I can already tell what our lowest common denominator is. Can you? Plus 3/12. Because as soon as I saw that 12, because I have studied and learned my multiplication facts, I know that 3 and 4 have 12 in common. So we have to change these to 12, right? So whatever we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top. So this is times 4, because remember, we're trying to make it, the lowest common denominator is 12, right? So then we do this one, times 3, okay? So now the goal is to get 12, and we know that that's going to be our lowest common denominator, so we just put our 12 right there, because we're already set with that. So this becomes 8 over 12, right? Plus 27 over 12. Plus 3 over 12, okay? It's just so messy with these annotation tools. I'm so sorry. All right, 8 plus 27 plus 3. Well, 27 plus 3 is 27, 28, 29, 30. So 30 plus 8 is 38. So 38 over 12. Remember, you divide the bottom into the top when it's an improper fraction like that. 12 goes into 38. How many times? You got 3 whole numbers there. Remember, we're keeping that 6. We're going to add that. And then the 38, take away 36, becomes 2 over 12, right? And that simplifies to 3 and 1/6. But that's not our answer because we still have this 6 over here. We have to add that 6 to that 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. Answer is 9 and 1/6 for this one, okay? Go ahead and take your time writing that down and make sure that you're ready to take a picture of this when you're done, right? So that's problem number 1. Any questions? All right, I'll leave it there. Just like everything, it takes practice, okay? We're not supposed to just be good at everything all the time. You have to practice things to get good at them. So don't get discouraged when this kind of stuff is hard, okay? You've got to take the time to get the habit